Hey guys, it's Mike here from Casually Convert. This is an interview with my student Federico. Now, Federico is from Italy. He's a young dude making bank. The guy left college and started making 5K a month by providing YouTube services. He's a genius. He's fantastic at what he does, but we've helped him build up to a place where he can monetize those services that he's so good at and make money from the comfort of his own home in Italy. Living the dream. Check out this video and see what Federico says about Casually Convert and how he's achieved these fantastic results and managed to drop out of college.
So who am I? I'm Federico, YouTube strategist, 19-year-old from Italy, and soon also university dropout. Before working with Mike, I was just starting my business. I already made some money through outreach, but I was really lost. I didn't know what was the next step to make. So I was looking into Twitter content creation, and I've gone into a call with Mike, a 30-minute call, and in just 30 minutes, Mike gave me so much mental clarity on what was the next step to make. And I just had to create an audience and solve people problems, give value, just do the things he told me. So I started working with him. In just 5 weeks, he helped me with the content creation. He helped me with the landing page. He helped me with all the funnel and the offer. And in 5 weeks, I've gone from 7 followers on Twitter to 1,100 followers. And I signed my first client through Twitter for 1,500 per month for the first month, and then €1,000 per month. And now I'm on my way to my first 5 per month. So please sign for coaching program, because it will give you so much mental clarity and so much direction. You know the path. You just have to do it.